Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with a new video. So today's my video is on about a rainy day. You know that there are many things that money cannot buy, and one of them is the pleasure of a rainy day. And it is on such days that you can connect to your inner child once again. A rainy day brings delightful weather with a cool breeze and rain showers. It freshens everyone by making the climate fresh and pleasant. And you know it is welcome mostly by people of all age group, including kids, adults and other people. It is a blessing for trees, birds, animals, plants and people, is not it? The trees look so fresh, colorful and refreshing after a shower. Many people like getting drenched in the rain. A rainy day uplifts the mood of a person. Sometimes we are lucky enough to see a rainbow on the horizon on a rainy day. And I am also waiting for the rainy seasons. I think almost all of you wait for it. A rainy day is symbolic of new life and a new beginning. The trees look greener after the rain and nature seems more diverse. Look at the leaves, just wow and amazing. Also, the rainy days gives us relief from our busy schedules and help us breathe again. They are also useful for crops and agriculture, as good rain ensures a good harvest at the end of the year. So today I am going to this video ending now. ঠিক আছে তেতিয়াহলে ভিডিওটো মই আজি ইয়াতে সমাপ্ত কৰিছো আৰু আশা কৰো আজি আপোনালোকে মোৰ এই ভিডিওটো চাই বহুত বেছি ভাল পালে যেতিয়া বাকিখিনি নকওঁ নে কৈয়ে দিও সদায় কওঁয়ে যেতিয়া দেন প্লিজ লাইক কমেন্ট শেয়াৰ কৰিব যদি মোৰ ভিডিওটো ভাল লাগিল আৰু যিসকলে মোৰ চেনেলত নতুনকৈ এন্ট্ৰি মাৰিছে সেই সকলক কৈছো একদম সাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰি ল'ব আৰু কি কৰিব মনত আছে নহয় ইয়েস সাইডত থকা বেল আইকনটো প্ৰেছ কৰিবলৈ কেতিয়াও নপাহৰিব যাতে মোৰ ভিডিওবোৰৰ কাৰণে নটিফাই হৈ থাকে